This Samadhan program is initiated by our DGP Goa Shri Jaspal Singh sir. So as a routine thing, today I had come to Anjuna police station and I have redressed the grievances of the public. Around 5 grievances we are able to sort it out today. Some of the grievances were regarding some stones were kept on the road and it was vehicle traffic was hindering. So other party I requested them to remove that. Then other party instantly agreed to that and the stone is removed and the opponent complaint party is happy about it. As other complaint was regarding blocking of the natural way of the rainwater by putting some Nalavi galon. So that we have told them to clear the tiles, roof tiles, and that also issue was cleared out. Another issue was regarding one NC case was there. They were saying that opponent is not called. So immediately we called the opponent and opponent has asked for sorry from the complainant and complainant was satisfied that yes with the action of the police. And in this way, this Samadhan issue is very much essential for redressing of the grievances. Actually, people are waiting when the Saturday is coming and we should come for Samadhan program. So this initiative is excellent initiative and we will be continuing the same.
अंजुन म्हटलं की एक ड्रग्सांचो एक व्हडलो प्रॉब्लेम अशें म्हणटा सगळे कडेन म्हणटा अंजुना ड्रग्स पुरवता हेच्या बद्दल कितें तक्रारी बी आसल्यो कोणाचे
No, see, there is no need of giving any complaint from anyone. We are sumoto doing lot of cases and we are one information on the pipeline. You may in 2-3 days you may get some case booked. And actually today nobody has complained about drugs, but we are proactively taking action on the drug menace.
Samadhan program आतापर्यंत लोकांचो परिचय असतो मेळटा.
Yes, Samadhan programak they are phone साहेब खंयच्या पुलिशें वचपाचो आसा. So it is good thing, like we can at least interact with the public and police public connect also is there in this matter. And we get directly superior officers getting feedback from the public. So it is good experience.
स्पा बद्दल कशें कितें सध्या फाटीं तुमी कारवाई चालू केली आनी मदींच मागीर थंडावली.
No, now
स्टार्टिंग तुमीच धरलेले आनी फुडें खंय पावला की.
Yeah, see this spa thing there is, as far as my information, as my PI's information, there is no any illegal spa is going on. If all the spas which are they are illegal, they are closed down and we have taken action. We have sealed 2 spa premises. And if at all you have anybody gives the information of illegal spa going on, immediately we'll act.
अशें स्पा जर चालू आसा जाल्यार ही चेन चालूच उरतली इन फ्युचर.
Yes, if illegal spa is started and if any information is received, we will act. Okay.